Arnold Clavio, born November 2, 1965, also known as IGAN, is a Filipino radio and television newscaster, journalist, and television host. He currently co-anchors GMA Network's morning show Unang Hirit and DZBB's morning radio show One-on-One, Walong Personalan. He also writes a column entitled Hirit Na for the tabloid newspaper Abante. He was the director of Solid Ground School in Plaridel, Bulacan in 1998. Whilst in school, Clavio was a member of his school newspaper's editorial staff. He was also a working student, working as a busboy, waiter, cook, and dishwasher at a KFC branch along Roxas Boulevard in circa 1986, following his father's unemployment. He earned his Bachelor of Arts degree in journalism at the University of Santo Tomas Faculty of Arts and Letters in 1987. Controversies. On March 15, 2012, the Philippine Football Federation lodged a formal complaint with the GMA network regarding allegedly racist, discriminatory, libelous, and malicious statements made by Clavio. In May 2013, after TV host Vice Ganda made a rape joke in reference to Clavio's fellow anchor Jessica Soho, Clavio came out in defense of Soho, expressing his disapproval of Vice's remarks. On November 6, 2013, Clavio came under fire for an interview conducted with attorney Alfredo Villamor on the morning talk show Unang Hirit. Villamor was standing in for Janet Naples to discuss the pork barrel scandal. In August 2020, former OFW Sarah Balabagan, who is now a host of a Las Vegas-based radio program, claimed in a Facebook live stream that Clavio was the father of her eldest child and that their relationship happened when she was still 17 years old. The revelation also sparked criticism on social media, with one Twitter user calling him a pedophile. Balabagan had clarified in her live stream that the revelation was not out of revenge, but to merely put rumors to rest. She also added that she apologized to everyone she hurt, including her family and Clavio's family, and that Clavio's wife forgave her through Facebook Messenger. On November 13, 2020, Clavio, along with his co-host Ali Sato, earned the ire of netizens after he asked an insensitive question towards a woman who is a victim of Typhoon Ulysses, brought heavy flooding, and left Metro Manila and several parts of Luzon in devastation on November 12th. Among those who were affected by the flood was Angela Jardin, whom the two asked, a resident from Provident Village in Marikina. She and 5 other people were stranded on the 3rd floor of her house during the typhoon's landfall. conversation earned a lot of criticism from netizens who called out the radio anchors for being insensitive towards the victim. Netizens said it seems like he blamed the victim for choosing to stay in their house. Many netizens called out Clavio and Sato for their privilege as they assume that others have options to find a better shelter. Personal life. Clavio is married with 3 children. He has a daughter with Sarah Balabagan. Clavio started the IGAN Foundation, whose stated mission is to help those living in poverty and diagnosed with diabetic alopecia. In June 2024, Clavio disclosed that he had suffered a hemorrhagic stroke while driving home after playing golf on June 11th. He also said he was on physical therapy and was expected to rehabilitate in 1 month or 6 weeks. Clavio is also diabetic. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 vlogs.